IDS, India Development Services, a non-profit organization which is dedicated to supporting economic and social development in India. IDS choose to serve in remote, underdeveloped, and difficult areas that are in need. IDS focuses on working in communities and regions in backward districts. Tribal children in these backward regions sometimes don't have many options and opportunities in these areas, but their unmatched will to live on and their true appreciation to life, shown through their cheerfulness and enthusiasm, provides IDS the motivation to journey along with them and contribute our best to their welfare. One such wing is Hub and Spoke, which serves in some rural and tribal belts within Andhra Pradesh. Initially, a hostel for children in grades 6 to 10, referred to as the Hub, was set up, and then a network of tribal schools for grades 1 to 5 was created. The tribal schools serves as subsidiaries from where children who complete their 5th grade are sent to the Hub hostel for further studies. The entire Hub and Spoke program runs its education practice on activity-based learning formula, basing its premise on the fact that we learn more when we do than when we are told. With the support of trained teachers, academic coordinators, and retired teachers, we are trying to create an opportunity of learning in the fun way, which aids in the holistic development of the child. Children who get used to activity-based learning in these hamlets eventually join the Hub hostel. These children get enrolled into government schools. The hostel currently operates with 60 students and gives special care and education, training in extracurricular activities to all these children who come from similar economic strata and are offshoots from the spokes. The hostel currently operates with 60 students and gives special care and education, training in extracurricular activities to all these children who come from similar economic strata and are offshoots from the spokes. Tailor-made convenient education is delivered to children in these hamlets, focusing on quality involving local assets. Hub and Spoke not only provides education but also strives to positively influence the lifestyle of theirs by exchanging feedback from parents, village elders, and government teachers. The cost for a child's complete care in the hostel is $330 per child per year. We invite you to be a part of this journey with IDS, Lions Trust, and Global Aid, because